Hello! Today we are going to be making fruit smoothies. For this recipe you will need berries, banana, milk, yogurt, and sugar. The tools for this recipe are a blender, measuring cups and spoons, and a cup. Step 1. Measure 1 cup of milk, get your yogurt, and add the milk and the yogurt into the blender. Step 2. Measure 1 cup of the berries, get half of a banana, and add the fruit into the blender. Step 3. Measure 1 tablespoon of sugar and add the sugar to the blender. Step 4 is to blend until smooth. Step 5, pour the smoothie into your cup and enjoy.